No decorations, no tree with tinsel, no lights. This year at home, the rooms are silent, no carols play. It's the first time she is so alone. What a wonder. She says there's comfort. Immanuel, our God is with us. Yes, He is with us still. Immanuel, He has not left us, and He never will. There may be next door, maybe the next row, but there's someone with a heartache who'll face the season, the happy greeting with no joy in this holiday for all the broken here in this moment. Immanuel, our God is with us. Yes, He is with us still. Emmanuel, He has not left us, and He never will. Emmanuel, Emmanuel, Emmanuel. Our God is with us. Yes, He is with us.